Welcome to How to Solve.
Hey, it's me again. How to fix Facebook not sending SMS code. So let's say that you forgot your password on your Facebook account. So, of course, it will ask for a code that is sent to the mobile number or the email that you had on your Facebook. So, first, if you have encountered a problem with that, maybe you might check if you had a bad signal because SMS code is based on your carrier or network carrier and not on your Wi Fi. So, first thing to do is let's try to set an airplane mode, tap it on, on off. So, this helps you reset your phone settings and the signal as well. And if it doesn't work, maybe we will go to another step, which is to check your messages. Just tap on the three bar lines there and check the spam messages. You might accidentally blocked or spammed that number. So if you blocked that one, you can just do a unblocking. And then the last thing that you need to do is to double check or triple check the numbers that you use in your Facebook in order for you to receive an SMS code. And that's it. I hope it helps.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.